Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmar Mindanos, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft Bluetooth driver is not working properly and it's error code 52. Windows cannot verify the digital signature for the drivers required for this device. A recent hardware or software change might have installed a file that is signed incorrectly or damaged, or that might be malicious software from an unknown source. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Windows Update, so ang next step ay, dito lang sa more options, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Advanced Options, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Advanced Options, ang next step ay, dito lang sa Additional Options, yung pinakauna lang, na Optional Updates, so kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa Optional Updates, kailangan mo lang install or i-download kung ano yung available na drivers update dito, okay? So once na-install mo siya or na-download, if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoot settings, ang next step ay, dito lang sa options, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, ang next step, dito lang sa others, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth. So dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong run. And then madadirect tayo dito sa help and support mga kaibigan. So dito sa help and support, so kailangan lang natin i-follow kung ano yung instructions na pwede natin gawin para ma-solve yung problem. And then, if the error still persists, and then another solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type nito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na SFC /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now, ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step ay close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Bluetooth driver not working properly with error code 52. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.